Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nick. Welcome to Angelonic Video Tutorials. Today will be the first day for MS Build, Microsoft Build 2021, live and free for people who love software development with Microsoft technologies like me. I'm a .NET developer, so in this case I really want to see what's going on there. I'm starting to develop software in cloud, so in this case I need to see what's new there, what's new with Azure and everything. So for today I choose just 9 events for tomorrow around 12, and day after tomorrow another 5 events. So in this case this is my schedule for the next days. You can choose what you want to see, what events you want to participate to that events. If you want to participate in some events, I did my schedule here on Microsoft website, Microsoft Build 2021 website. So also, if you don't have an account, a Microsoft account, and you can't register there, it's not a problem. You can see on YouTube a live multimedia streaming, video streaming of that. So basically in 5 hours we'll start, and you can see day 1 on YouTube. Also I put on my website, just click news and you will see live streaming from YouTube on my website for Microsoft Build 2021. So happy coding, guys. Bye bye.